Hello guys, you are highly welcome. On this video I'll be showing you how you can use a straight sewing machine thread to make this type of design on any clothes. Maybe you are sewing the collar or you are sewing the pocket or any design you want to make use of it. So this is the normal thread now. As you can know that one of the things that is trending now is using the normal straight machine to make stitches on the dress. But there are different methods in which you can use. There are different thread in which you can use. I have about 4 thread which you can use to make this type of a design. But on this video, I'm concentrating on using the straight sewing machine thread which we use in sewing clothes to make this type of a design. In the subsequent video, I'll be bringing you another method you can as well use to make this design. Without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see, this is the thread that I use for this. If you don't have this one, you can as well use this small one. So any of the two, and then you have to reel it on the reeler. So I've reeled it in the 6 reeler. So that is 6. So but if you don't want it to up to this, you can as well make it 2. So that will determine the thickness of the stitches. So you can as well make it 2, or you make it 3, 4 or 5. So this is it now. You can see this. So you have to place it on the machine like this. So all the C's. So that's then you bring the thread down like this, and then you reel it on the reeler, that is on the bobbin. So you have to join the 6 together, and then here now you have to use your hand to roll it. So just use your hand to roll it like this, and this is it. After I've rolled it together on the bobbin, and then just insert it to the shuttle as the bobbin case. Then just lose it a bit so that the thread now can pass freely. So you know this is thick already. So please, if this is the first time you are checking on this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an amazing video like this again. And for you to be able to see the subsequent video that I have for you on this type of method on stitching making design on the dress with a straight sewing machine. So just pass it like this, and then whatever you want to make use of, you can as well have designed it already. Maybe you can use a pencil to have a mark it, but I don't need pencil on this because I'm tracing the back. And another thing here is that when you are doing the stitches here, you don't need to reinforce. So you just stitch it straight down, and let's see. You can see this, you can see the results. So just continue. Make sure you don't skip any part of this because I still have some tip for you on this video which will help you in achieving best results. So just stitch it straight like this, and when you get here, you just open it. So here now you have to bring the thread to the back because you know that we did not reinforce it. If you try to reinforce it, that place may be too thick and it will not make it look very nice. So just draw the thread from the back like this, and then you insert the needle to bring it out from the back. When you are able to do this, then you just tie the two together. Make sure you do this gently, and that is it. So you just tie it together like this, and that is it. You can see this. So now the center design now, so just stitch it like this and reinforce it. Once you're through with this, you stitch it at the center again, straight down, So that is it. So here now I can just cut it out like this. You know, I've reinforced here, so I can't bring the thread to the back here because this place has been reinforced already. So just cut the thread, and that is it. You can see how nice and beautiful the design is. So your straight sewing machine can do wonders if you truly know how to make use of it. In the subsequent video, I'll be bringing you another different method which you can use to achieve this. So this place now, you just have to bring out the thread to the back and then you tie it together. That is it. So here now you have to change the thread to the red, change the thread to red, and then we are stitching with the single line thread. So you can as well make the thread on the front to be double if you like, but if it is more than 2, it will not give you the results. So you just reinforce it like this. So that is it. Then you stitch it straight down, then you reinforce here also. Yep, that is it. Here's the result now at the end. You can see that. You can see how nice and beautiful the placket is. Please, if you've derived value in this video, help me give this video a thumbs up so that a lot of people will be able to benefit and they too will be able to learn from this video. And some of the design you can use with you can do with this straight sewing machine. This is another one. You can see how nice and beautiful this one is also. So here is another one which you can make on the pocket. So look at this, very simple and unique. So this depends greatly on your creativity and how you can able to do the threading. So you can see this also. So please, if you derive value in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that a lot of people will be able to benefit from it. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, and that is a way of encouraging us to do more. Till we meet again in the next video, I say thank you for watching and then bye for now.